You ready? No, I gotta do my hand. Do this. No, not my hand. Do this. Good. You're not really touching it though. Touch. I think you're going for my hand. You're not using your nose. No, that's my hand. Piece of paper. Hey, buddy. No, here. I know. Sorry, buddy. I know, we haven't practiced in a long time. Here, try this. Okay, you know what? I think we're going to do this. Okay, we're going to do my hand first. Okay, because we haven't done this in a while. Okay, ready? Whoops, sorry. Right here. Here you go. That's, no. Alright, we gotta wait for you to touch. No, not paw. Nope. How about this? No, sorry. Oh, Colby. You're such a good boy. Let's try this. Here, gotta nose it. Good job. That's it. That's good. Gourmet dinner for you right now. Okay. Okay, ready? Nope. Nope. Nose. No, nose. Good boy. Nope. 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 Come on. Okay, come on, stand up. Let's walk around. Try this again. Okay, sit. Nope. Nose. Nope. 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 No, it's not it. Nope. Nose it. Nope. Sorry. I trained you that really well, didn't I, buddy? Nose it. Nope. Good job. That's it. That's it. You ready? Nose. Nope. Nope. Nose. Here you go. Here. I know. Sorry, buddy. Here. Okay. Well, we haven't practiced in a long time. Good boy. There you go. All right. Ready? Nope. Nose. Nope. Nose it. Here. Good boy. That's what I'm looking for. Nope. Nope. 14 years of paw. You know that really good, don't you? I know. Sorry, bud. Nope. Nope. Maybe the hand is too much of a cue. All right, so we'll do this. Here. Oh, sorry. Oh, buddy, sorry. No, no. Here, let's try this. Here, there you go. Nope. Put your nose on it. Here. Good job. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Good boy. Okay, ready? There you go. Good boy. There you go. Nice job. Okay, ready? Nope. This. Good boy. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, ready? Good boy. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Good job. Good job. Can we get some more? Nope. Good. I think you're touching my hand though. You touch the paper. Here. No, no. There you go. Good, that was better. I think you're still touching my hand though. There you go. Okay, hang on. Let me go. Good job. There you go. That's it. Good. There you go. Sorry, I just dropped everything. Here you go. Ready? There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Good boy. Okay. Sorry. Here, touch it. Good boy. There you go. You haven't had to use your brain like this in a long time. Ready? Oh, just take a break. Take a break. Take a break. Let me